Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can show the BCC when you send an email, or how you can use the BCC to send an email on Outlook. So let's suppose that you have opened your Outlook application, and in order to send a new email you just click over new email here, and over here you have only the option to and the option CCC. Now, in order to show also the option BCC, I'll show to you shortly what exactly means BCC and what exactly means CCC. But first of all, let me show you how you can activate those options. So after you have opened the email that you want to send, you click over options here at the toolbar, and here it is, the show fields are here. So we click over BCC and it will show the BCC option. And if you want to show also the from option, you click over from, and here you can define from which email address you will send this email in case that you have two accounts or more configured on your Outlook application. In my case, I just want to activate the BCC. But what exactly means BCC? So the receiver that you will add in the BCC field are invisible to all other recipients under 2 or CC. This option is useful if you prefer to keep the email addresses private. It also means that BCC recipients will not receive any replay emails from the other recipients, even if they select replay all. In other words, the difference between CCC and BCC is that both are used for sending emails to additional recipients, but only you, as the sender, can see all the names listed under BCC. So let's make a test. I'm not going to define anything to those fields 2 or CC, and I'm just going to define the email here at bcclearntech@outlook.com. I'm just writing here test, and I will send an email, and I will show to you how I will receive this email. So for example, I cannot see over here to whom it is sent this email. In case that I will send an email, let me show you on this way. So for example, I'll write here learn tech, and here I will use this other email at BCC, and I will send this email test, and let's see how the receiver will look at this one. So the receiver will be learntechwithad@outlook.com, and BCC will be also receiver, but no one can see which email addresses are on BCC. Only me that I send this email, I can see who is involved on the BCC. So it's like hidden email address. Let's send that and let's see. So here we are. As you can see, I can see the two emails, but I cannot see which email was in BCC. In this case was this email here, which was itsadisu@gmail.com, but you cannot see that BCC email that I have put it here. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to activate this feature or this setting on your Outlook email. So you just open the new email and you click over options and you activate this option here, BCC or from, and then you have those options here. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.